do not be afraid to talk the truth. Do not be afraid to speak out of your mouth. Don't make nobody say something that they want to come silence you. You see anything where you truly believe, you set and you speak your own truth. Marcus gave the talk if him rights and them set and them cuss him and call him a waste man. Them cuss him and call him an anarchist. Them cuss him and call him a rebel. Them sets and them boycott him and one bag or something. Right now, today, in a displaced society, me not stop talk my truth. Whether or not you don't want to like it or not, and that's how we think that. Work where I work. And a chicken I jerk. Although when you jerk chicken actually work, yeah works. Who don't know what I talk about? But me the truth and speak it ever, cause it what it will. He who hides the wrong, he does the wrong thing still. I mean I stop beating with the truth and chastise on it. Who want vex?
Yeah, going up all this was. Today video is going to be a follow-up on Blue Royal. For those who don't know who Blue Royal is, that's a young lady on yesterday video, which was August the 11th, stating that she went to the Mandeville police station and wasn't getting help because a young man from Barbados is stalking her. However, Triple X did his take on the video and she did not like Triple X take. So she and her mother came back for both Triple X, the police, and a few other people. So have a listen for yourself. Alright, catch you in the next video.
It's showing both of us, but it's not showing both of us. So full. Still one more water. Oh, you tell the people you're going live at 11.
Hi guys, good morning. Now I'm going to be I'm gonna address some issues, and I'm going to also be filling you guys in on what took place since the video. Now I just want to know, say the only reason why I post the video is because I wanted help and not to seek attention in no way. If you don't believe that, for no problem that I don't have time for sit down and worry about what I believe really. After posting the video, the inspector from Mandeville police station did reach out to me in the night, and he reached out to me the next day, and so
That's the same day.
same day he reached out to me, and we had a meeting, and all the necessary precautions, everything that was supposed to be done was done finally. Statements, everything. We had a meeting. They explained to me what they're going to do, and me really feel good about that, because that is what I wanted to happen from day one. You understand? That is the whole purpose of me going over there in the first place. I'm going to be having a meeting with them today again, but this is going to be pertaining something a bit different. Now, other people in a comment, I don't know what you're saying. The only time I really know when I say when somebody call me and tell me say X and X, because we never come on social media to sit down and read everything when I say, because unlike someone who I actually have a life. You understand? Unlike someone who I actually have a life. So if you're in the comments and you talk about things, God knows what, me don't know the only time me know when somebody reach out to me. If you are in the comments talking things, you're wasting your breath, because me not sit down and read them. Me still go to bed at night time. Me still eat. Me have a life. Now all the people who reach out to me, people who call me, the people who try to help me, people who pray for me, I appreciate you guys so much. You don't have no idea what this means to me. Just for know that there is a support system, it means a lot to me. I appreciate every single one of you. And you know, me notice too, most of the people who do the bashing are women. Why is that? Why most of the people who do the bashing are women? Me don't really like to know why is that.
I don't think we should actually talk about that, because
It's really
most
sad.
females are kind of not so right in their
No, someone is
think
sick,
they're
man. Someone is sick and
and
twisted.
they don't have a
Only
real
just
life.
as sick and twisted.
I think most of you girls are just as sick
And a lot
twisted
of them
as
are
the guy.
hypocrites because them are going to talk about independence and all kind of things. And enough for you don't have a job, you live with no man or no man and man, you stop lying. Stop coming on social media and pretending to be
address
something
them
that
now.
you are not.
Let me tell you something, right? Whoever knows my daughter, right? She's my best friend. She's my daughter. She's everything to me, and she's my only
But
child.
independence.
And again, hold on, baby. Let me say something again. Let me say something. Whoever knows my daughter, she went to school in Trinidad. I didn't say she didn't went to school in Jamaica too, but she went to school in Trinidad. And those who are in Trinidad and they know her, they can also reach out and comment. Those who goes to school with her and those who work with her in Trinidad and sees the video, they can comment and say that I'm telling the truth. My daughter started to work at 16 years old. Her first job was at the age of 16 years old.
I'm a person that loves to work.
And when she begged me to start working at that age, I didn't tell anybody because I think I was doing something bad. I felt ashamed. I was like, oh my God, I can't tell nobody this. Seriously? I mean, sometimes when she come in and she tell, she say, Mommy, I say, you serious? You want to go back and work tomorrow? She say, yes, Mommy, I want to go. And I say, no, baby, you can't just stay and sleep. You don't have to go to work today. You know, you just can't sleep and relax. And even then, you know how long it take me to talk about it because I feel like I do something bad to her.
I want her to have a summer job.
I feel like I should make sure something bad to her. And then, you know, it take her so long after she said to me, Mommy, you know, me thank you for everything, you know, way you do it for me and everything, you know, you allow me to work. Even now, those who work with her, with Red Stripe and Pepsi,
I used to work for them.
She used to work for Red Stripe
right
and Pepsi.
now I still have my shirt.
Red Stripe and Pepsi. Those who remember her from Rick's Cafe, when she used to work Negril, those who remember her can reach out and say that this little girl used to work at Rick's Cafe. She used to work for Red Stripe and Pepsi.
No, one part.
Hold on. So hard at the age of 18, not about the 16 part past already where she used to work at Trinidad, you know. Me talk about when you come at Jamaica and she start work for Red Stripe and Pepsi. Me talk about that.
No.
You understand what I'm saying? And this man, I got jump.
No, I have somebody more to address. I said I wasn't going to address anybody, but this person is telling lies on me, and me don't like him pretend a lie on me. Don't do that. If you are a blogger or whatever it is, and you want to ask me something or you hear something and you're not sure about it, I am not a rude person. I'm not going to just disrespect you like that unless you disrespect me. My name is Blue Royal on Instagram. Everybody must know by now. Reach out to me and ask a question. Don't tell no lie for me. Triple X are you me attack and me know you're going to see this. No, I don't really want to see how this guy make this video. Look how the guy behave.
You and your mama belly full now.
No.
And everything good and nice and wonderful to you.
Look at the guy here. What? Mr. Talk.
You're calling us to go for the plunger. To come
Hold on, I want to see one specific part.
No,
Hold
make it
on. Hold on, I want to see one specific part.
The car you go over Barbados. When you pack your suitcase down a Mandeville. When you wake up the morning early. When you charter the taxi from Mandeville, go to Norman Manley International Airport. When you go through immigration or TSA or whatever them call them people. When you go upstairs and you go buy the burger and the large juice and the large fries. When you walk down the long passage and you go sit down on the plane. When you jump on the plane and take the plane to Barbados and then you have the peanut and drink the Sprite on the plane. When you land over Barbados and the man come pick you up. Who did they decide you on the plane seat and you have peanut and Burger King and a drink Sprite with you?
No, people. I don't know which. That is Triple X. You see how the man in a temper for me, you that swear him know me and you that swear where my talk is true. Just to clear the air, this guy has never booked any ticket for me. Never. And my travel agent can test that. Every time I buy one ticket, me save and buy my ticket. Me not even pay for my ticket one time. I pay for it little. When I met the guy, we met on a trip to Barbados. My cousin and I took a trip to Barbados to visit my aunt, and that is how I met the guy. Triple X is a liar, and shame on you. Me don't know where you get the information with. Me don't know where you claim say I tell you things, because honestly I don't believe you. Nobody not tell her that, because what you say is true. That guy has never once bought me a plane ticket. Never. You're too lie. You chat too much. You chat till you chat all shit. You talk till you talk all shit.
Let me tell you something, Triple X or whatever X your name. You see, let me tell you something.
6 stomach.
You need to go back and get your facts right. You see?
We don't know when get the information
don't hear from a story and jump on it.
The guy don't reach out to me and ask me nothing.
Hold on, baby. This is wrong of you, and I don't know what you're thinking, but clearly you have a problem with females. You understand me? And I don't know if you have a woman or what, but you need to get your story straight, because I don't think you know. I don't think you know what you want, or you know what you want to be. Because if you know what you want to be, you wouldn't be so angry with woman. If it is that you never have something against female, you wouldn't be so angry with her. You don't know a story. You don't know the story. This little girl, all of the bank, you see people that will lend her money at the bank.
Me borrow money for buy clothes.
All our loan officer them can testify to this. If she was a people person, we scam and grape and take money from her. Look how she nice. Only man that throw money from her.
She not fear borrow money
from bank. And she wouldn't have to borrow money for stock bar.
No, but I just take money from one of them man. They want to claim say me have a scam. Want to chat too much. She is a chat too much and lie.
Can testify. We should pay the money good. Hold on, babe. We should pay the money good. Then call her for your next loan.
Yeah.
Then call her for your next loan, and then can testify to it. Then can testify to it. If she just run and jump on a create money from man, and she wouldn't have to take the money from the bank.
No,
she wouldn't have to take the money from the bank.
One of them so-called man, they won't. I mean, I know if you don't have it in on the head, say the guy that send me money every week, and I live this big. Me don't know
what can testify to it. Yeah, can't talk about you and your mama. Let me tell you.
My mother is married, number one. You chat too much.
Hold on. Let me tell you something. You see the guy in can call or you can fight, get in touch with him and tell him, I have spoken to that guy only twice.
My mother no friend people when
I know licky mother, me no friend people when my daughter talk to. Me know how me stay, so me no friend no boyfriend.
My mother is not no licky.
Me know how me stay, me no licky.
Me know if someone the mother licky.
Everybody know me, they can testify to it. Me no friend nobody when my daughter talk to, cause me know me stay. Every time they talk about, oh your mother no like me, and no like me, no like them. Me know how me stay, and me also know how man stay. Do something out of the way, and I'm probably same one if I go deal with it. So me no friend them. They always say, oh your mother no like we, your mother never talk to me yet. Let me tell you something. That same guy, I don't think he's that wicked and lying. We tell you no send me never chat to him one about 2 times.
People.
So when you talk about your mother spend money, which money that guy don't have money to maintain my lifestyle?
People, that
hold
guy
on.
has never.
That guy don't have money to maintain my lifestyle nor fear lifestyle.
No, the guy is just
so
when just like everybody.
What
like Triple X.
That Triple X where you look like when you throw bread in the water. Go and fix what need to be fixed and come back with your thing.
And beard.
And go and take a nice shower.
We don't know where this guy come from. No, the guy gonna make video.
You gonna make video a class, me daughter.
And I tell about my life on video.
What is wrong with you?
Me, I have had the same travel agent for so long, and she can testify. No man never call her and tell them say them a book no ticket for this a girl. Where Triple X getting information from?
Me tell you say you can pay them one ticket.
And my mother tell me say I could pay them one ticket. I never know say I could pay them one ticket till when you can finish pay for it.
Make she go pay down on her ticket little.
Where is Triple? I didn't claim
that boy has never buy my daughter a ticket.
Lion boy.
Where this little me
lion boy claim say people then I'm inbox that send him 30 people in an inbox are sending information. You are lying. Nobody could never tell us so because that is not true. I went to the police station and I gave them, make them hook up my phone to the computer and send them every single conversation I ever have with this guy because I have nothing to hide. Me make sure so me give the police them our entire chat because me not have nothing for hide. Me no need for hide nothing. I me no need for come on social media. I come look attention because unlike some of you, I actually have a life and me not lonely. As you can see, I mean, you probably don't understand why my mother there or why she in a video, why she's involved. It's because she is my mother. And if someone did have mother, no family don't have none. I mean, that for a fact. If someone did have mother, then you would understand why my mother is so involved. We never felt the love of a mother, so you can't understand why she involved. You understand? Triple X, me no know why you me no know why you hype so. Me no know why you hype so or where you supposed to be. Me no know which part of the money your face the why you hype so and why you hot for me because as me no remember knowing you from nowhere. You understand? And as a blogger, me no know where you be. Honest to God, I don't know where you be or how you even relevant. You understand? You forget your facts straight. If you hear a story you don't know, or you go reach out to the two sided two people them. You understand? Because this is a two-sided thing and I understand that. Reach out to the people them and ask how things go. Bobo, you want to see the boy in the video, Bo? When you did take taxi,
but
that
but you don't eat burger and drink juice.
First of all, me not burger, baby love. Me's not a burger girl. Don't do that. Not do them something then you disrespect me now. Me is not the same Triple X. Me not live a Burger King. Me have a yard. Me is not the same. When you hear a story, you have to try and reach out to the people them and ask where you go and don't go on your social media go tell no lie on people because you do not know me. You never ask me nothing. You never reach out to me. No tell no lie on me brother. Me no know you. This guy never book no tickets for me. Never.
So people think it's funny. For one man, for one blogger jump up and a jump. Me realize that people jump on this thing like a bitch in English.
Nothing about this is funny and people like Uno why so much women are go through things and are afraid to talk. People like Uno why enough girls are get through all kind of abuse and them afraid to talk because disgusting people like Uno. Disgusting terrible people like Uno.
Let me tell you something. Go and take a shower and go and fix up yourself.
Go be a brother.
Go and take a shower and fix up yourself.
Alright, good ya KFC bread. Me no burger brother. Don't
go and fix up yourself.
No, come out of people. Go watch the live.
This is a hard-working person. People that will lend her alone at the bank and talk. Because she's nice and pretty. If she don't run up and take money from people, she wouldn't go black bank. She pay a loan so good they call her for her next one.
It hurt me feel me now.
Don't do that, man. Don't do that, boy. Go. You feel when they throw bread in the water.
Sorry.
Go fix up your health problem.
I'm really glad say
you don't know where you want to be if you want to be man or woman.
I'm really glad say police them did reach out to me honest to God because that is what I really and truly wanted. If me did really want attention like that, then me wouldn't go over station. If I did attention, me I look, me would just make a video.
But I come to them first.
Me just make a video and me just post up a guy picture them and just attack about things on social media. I'm not that kind of person. And if nobody don't want to believe me, I really don't give a fuck. Me not business because I know who I am. I mean I'm gonna make no I've me no comment section. I be sad and me no know. I be sad and I cry and all these things. I know who I am. And if me have something I then me wouldn't go over station go give them a wall of chat. I know them ask me for it and me tell them to me want them to take the conversation them and read through it. This guy and I don't know what to say to him. No,
and topic if you listen to me tell you say you have to talk to that guy for a long time.
I did see the sign.
No, and but if you don't listen to me tell you to talk to the boy.
All I female them out there and in a some on and off relationship, I wanna see the red flag them, please. Learn from my mistakes. Just learn from my mistakes because I am truly disappointed in myself because and I lie my mother she did talk to me about it and she did tell me to leave the guy and me no know. She did tell me to stop talking to the guy, period, point blank. Me no know what me did think or what was going through my mind, but honestly, me make a vow to myself that this will never happen again. You understand? And for my first experience with the police, the facts are just facts and the truth is truth. I am extremely disappointed. You understand? Because it makes me wonder how much people come to know at daytime in need and a problem. I want to treat them that way. It makes me wonder. It makes me wonder how much things you see and turn a blind eye to. It make me wonder, you know, there are so much females in my DM. So my time I feel so hurt, and they're telling me all the things them go through and how police ignore them. Why would justice system have to be like this? Why did I need to go on social media to get the police them attention? Why I couldn't just go over there and tell them what happened and them take it serious?
Anyway, guys, those who are sending out prayers for us and those who are with us, I thank you and I appreciate every word, and I am so grateful for everything
I am grateful
that
for every
is
single
happening in terms of you guys showing love and reaching out to us. And for those who are saying bad things, the God is not sleeping, and I'm leaving you all the time.
Don't have to say bad
and
things.
I still say thank you and thanks to Triple X. Thank you very much. I'm out.